So these are some paintbrushes that I've owned for quite some time now, and these are basically these Meeden Miniature paintbrushes. I'll actually bring a few of them out just to show you what some of them look like. Get a whole bunch of them with the set. And the reason why I got these is to basically just bring my portraiture up to the next level. I found that a lot of the brushes that I have, they don't come to a very fine point. Things like getting in eyelashes, eyebrows, little details of the eyes, and even skin textures and things like that was very difficult just using normal paintbrushes. They, holding it usually at the end, they just didn't give much control. And the fact that these allow you to kind of hold them like a pencil, see, there's some kind of grip here, so you can really get in and detail, use a lot of fine motor control, which I like. And there's so many different brushes. You've got thinner ones, you've got ones that are just tiny. I mean, look at that one there, you can barely sort of see the tip of it. You've even got one that's like a bent brush like that. I'm not sure where you'd use that. But there's also things like a bunch of filbert brushes, which are great for kind of scrubbing out detail. I've just got to find one. This one here, it's a filbert brush, so you kind of just wet and scrub out without adding too much water and messing up all the details. So yeah, I found that these are fantastic if you want to detail, not necessarily for portraiture, even for landscapes, drawing blades of grass, whiskers on animals, fur on animals as well tends to be a really time-consuming thing you don't want to get wrong, especially if you're using a brush that's not very good quality or splayed or just doesn't allow you to get the level of control and detail. So yeah, I do recommend these, and for basically anyone who is using them for landscapes, portraiture, like I said, that's what I've used them mainly for. But landscapes, any sort of detailing work.